How to turn off enable others to comment on my posts on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off enable others to comment on my posts on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and let's go back first. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and now here you will find privacy. Click on it and then here you will find this one, enable others to comment on my posts. Just click on it if you want to turn it off, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.